Always ko naman sinasabi, sobrang happy and proud sa team. And I know or we know naman talaga na pinaghihirapan din lahat ng naging result ngayon. So, yun lang.
Thank you, Coach. And for KD, this was a 5-set game, but you really powered the offense for Signal as well. Like, what can you say about how the entire team performed against Streamline?
The entire team. I feel like we had a slower start, or maybe the start, not necessarily, but like the second set, third set. There were some misconnections, miscommunications, and then we started panicking a little bit, but we were able to come all together. As always, I have to say the team helped me a lot. I was able to come out of whatever was happening in my head, and we were able to come together and finish the match like we did. I'm super grateful for that, and it just felt really awesome.
Thank you. And for Jessa, only 9 points in this game, pero grabe yung contributions were really crucial for Signal, especially in that last stretch. Ano na siguro yung tumatak mo sa isip mo na wanting to contribute din?
Siguro parang yung time na yun na pinasok ako, parang sabi ko, lapangan ko lang. Kasi syempre kinakabahan din naman ako, pero parang nakita ko yung tiwala ng mga coaches na nagigit sa akin. Kaya sabi ko, ilaro ko na lang yun. Kaya kong laruin.
Ano yung nakita niyong nagbago sa team? Kaya napanalo yung 5 of the last 6 games niyo.
I think siguro yung mga past experiences namin, especially kapag nakaka-encounter kami ng yung pagkatalo, siguro yung naging mindset din namin yung second round na kailangan trabahuin talaga namin. Pag-ingatan talaga kung ano yung mga kailangan namin doon. Siguro yung nagustuhan, willingness din ng buong team, yung mga players namin. Dahil nakita ko naman sa training na all out naman sila lagi. Hindi ganun ka-consistent, but alam mo yun, kumbaga, nasusunod naman kung ano yung mga game plan, and at the same time, yun, mas nagiging productive yung nangyayari kasi pagdating ng game, mas nag-all out sila.
Siguro po, sobrang tumas na yung kumpiyansa na parang na-realize ko na kaya mo pala. May magpalaki pala ako na kaya po, tumas ang kumpiyansa ko at hindi po ako nagigil like, masobrahan pa po. Mag-improve pa po.